Hello everyone, today, we're tackling a big question for crypto investors. Does Uphold pay out real interest on your holdings? The short answer is yes, but it's important to understand how it works because it's not a one-size-fits-all program. Uphold offers two main ways to earn, the USD interest account and staking rewards. First, let's talk about the USD interest account. This is for your US dollar holdings. Uphold has a program where your cash is swept into partner banks, and you can earn an APY on it. As of my latest information, this can be up to 4.5% APY for balances of $10 or more. It's a low-risk option because these funds are FDIC insured up to $2.5 million through the program banks. There are no lockup periods, so you have instant access to your funds. The interest is accrued daily and paid out monthly. Now, for your crypto assets, Uphold offers staking rewards. Staking is a different concept from earning interest on cash. When you stake your crypto, you are participating in the security and validation of a blockchain network. In return for locking up your tokens, you earn a reward from that network. Uphold facilitates this process, making it easy for you to stake and unstake. The APY for staking varies depending on the specific cryptocurrency and network conditions, and Uphold does take a commission, which is already factored into the estimated APY rates you see. For example, some assets on Uphold can offer high APYs, with rates sometimes reaching over 15%. Payouts for staking rewards are typically made weekly, and you receive the rewards in the same cryptocurrency you staked. So, to summarize, Uphold does pay out real interest and rewards. For your US dollars, it's through a traditional, low-risk, FDIC-insured interest account. For your crypto, it's through staking, where you earn rewards by supporting the underlying blockchain network. Both are valid ways to potentially grow your portfolio, but they have different risks and mechanisms. As always, remember that all investments, especially in crypto, carry risk. Do your own research and understand the terms and conditions before you commit your funds. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more straightforward answers to your finance questions.